In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to consolidate data in Microsoft Excel. Data consolidation is a really useful feature when you want to combine information from multiple worksheets or ranges into one clean summary. This is especially helpful if your workbook contains separate sheets for different months, departments, or locations, and you want Excel to total everything together in a single place instead of doing it manually. To begin, create a summary sheet. At the bottom of your workbook, click the plus button to add a new worksheet. This new sheet will be used to hold your combined results, so it helps keep your original data separate and organized. Once the new sheet appears, rename it Summary. After that, click the cell where you want the consolidated data to start. A common choice is cell A1, since it gives Excel room to place the full summary neatly from the top left corner of the worksheet. Now open the Consolidate tool. Go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon, then look for the Data Tools group. In that section, click Consolidate. This opens the Consolidate dialog box, which is where you'll tell Excel exactly what data to combine and how to combine it. In the Function dropdown, choose Sum. This tells Excel to add the values from all the selected ranges together. Sum is one of the most common choices here, especially when you are combining totals. But the key step in this process is selecting Sum for the summary you want to build. Next, click inside the reference box, then go to the first worksheet and select the data range you want to include, such as a range like A1 through B4. After selecting that range, click Add. This places the selected range into the All References list, so Excel knows it should be included in the consolidation. Repeat the same process for the second worksheet. Select the matching range, such as A1 through B4 on that sheet, and then click Add again. As you do this, each selected range will appear in the All References list. That list is important because it confirms all the source ranges that Excel will use in the final summary. If your data includes headings, make sure to check the top row and left column options. This helps Excel recognize labels and align your data correctly based on those headings, rather than simply combining cells by position. That can make a big difference when you want your summary to stay readable and accurate. When everything looks correct, click OK. Excel will then create the consolidated summary on your summary sheet, combining the selected data into one organized result.